Hi, this is Busy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit chat on Snapchat. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Whether it's typo that you made unknowingly or a text that you regret sending now, mistakes are bound to happen. But the good thing is that there is a way to save yourself from pending embarrassments. Snapchat now lets you edit chat messages you send on the app, and in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can just open your Snapchat. You can open your chat conversation. Now you can try to send message. For example, let's try to send message to my friends. Send it. Now I want to edit it. How to do it? You can just tap and hold on the message until there is an option. And here, edit chat. You can just tap on that. Now you have edit. Now you can just tap on checklist in here. So you have edit this message, and your friends can see if you edit your message on this chat. So simple, right? So that is how to edit message on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.